Hello everyone. Today I am here to show how to deactivate Windows 10. If you want to activate Windows, click the card shown on top right. I am Geek V. Stay tuned.
Okay, let's start the session. Before that, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification for every new video.
Okay, first open File Explorer. In File Explorer, right-click on this PC, and then click on Properties. A new system window opens. Check under Windows Activation section, it shows Windows is activated. OK, close all windows. Click on Start, and type CMD in search bar. Now, open Command Prompt as administrator. Command Prompt window open. Here, type a command shown on screen. And press enter. OK, within few seconds, it shows message like this. Then click OK, done. Now close CMD window and check it successfully deactivated or not. Yeah, Windows is successfully deactivated. If you want to activate Windows again, click on the link given in description. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification for every new video. I am Geek V, see you on next video.